How to delete all photos from WhatsApp group on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Log into your account, then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Settings, which is the last option. After you click on Settings, scroll down in here and click on Storage and Data. After you click on Storage and Data, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Manage Storage at the top. After that, in here, at the bottom below Chats, you will find all the chats. Select the group chat you want to delete all photos of. After you've selected the group, at the top, right-click on Select All, which will select all the photos. Then you'll find Trash Bin option at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. After you click on it, press on Delete in here, and you're good to go. This is how to delete all photos from WhatsApp group on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.